Connect for input resource. KVM function need connect for USB cables. 1-to-1 connection. The USB 1 connect the HDMI 1 input. 2 connect second. 3 third. 4 fourth. If you don't use the KVM, no need connect USB. Connect audio if need. Mouse and keyboard. Press Control or Remote Control or Hotkey. Press 1, the first input will full display. Press 2, the second input will full display. Press 3, the third input will full display. Press 4, the fourth input will full display. Press 0 for split mode. Press 5 of remote, left-right to split mode. Default mode is first and second inputs. You can choose any 2 inputs to set from the menu. Press 6 of remote, up and down to split mode. Press mode on device or switch 1 remote. It will switch all kinds modes by turns. KVM setting. Use hotkeys to set. Control by this small keyboard. Long press meter key and press number. Switch modes. Long press meter key and F keys to switch audio. Long press meter key and A. The mouse button sync across 4 screens. Long press meter key and S. The mouse button get through any screens. If you want to control by software, you can download this. If you still have other set problem, please contact with us.